Oh, thanks for that. Thanks for the education. Thanks very much. Cheers, dude. Thanks for. Oh, and you. Thanks very much. Look right up there. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, she hit him. Fucking indicator. What was that, kid? Oh, okay. Oh, he saved his mind, though. Really? That's really shit parking. Fucking good Wi-Fi. No, this one here, on the left here. What a fucking idiot. Yeah. What's wrong with you? Fucking lippa. There's no right of way, carry on, it's a straight road. Come on, they don't have right of way, you have right of way, come on. Oh, okay.